Good morning, children. Today is Thursday, and instead of logic and reasoning, we are taking today English. Okay? So, today we are going to learn small cursive. Okay? Today we are going to learn cursive writing, small letter R, S, and T. So, this you will be doing in your English workbook. Parents can help them to do this work. Put dot for them on third line. Start from third line, go upwards in a slanting way, touch second line. Again, start from third line, touch second line and make a small curve. And again, touch second line. Again, start from third line, go up, touch second line, make a curve. Again, make a curve, touch second line, come down and make a small curve. So this is R. Yes. Next is small cursive letter S. So again, you'll start from third line, go up, touch in a slanting way, make a curve. Again, make a curve, touch the slanting line and slightly upwards. Okay, make a slanting line upwards, slightly up. So this is S. Cursive letter T. Again, you will be starting from third line, go up in a slanting way, touch the top line, come down straight and make a curve. Then make small sleeping line. So this is a T. I sound words. Okay. So write date and CW on this page. Page number is 111. Match the following with picture. I sound words. Okay. L-I-P. Lip. L-E-P. Lip. So you will match with lip. P-I-N. Pin. P-E-N. Pen. Match with pen. Yes. T-I-N. Tin. T-E-N. Tin. Match with tin. Yes. K-I-T. Kit. K-E-T. Kit. K-E-T. Kit. Match with kit. N-I-B. Nib. N-E-B. Nib. N-E-B. Nib. Match with nib. Fill in the blanks with correct sound words. So first picture is of dig. D is written, G is written. Here I is missing. D, E, G. Dig. So you write here I, D, E, G. Dig. Here is next is when. W is written, N is written. So you write here I. V, E, N. When. V, E, N. When. Next is big. B is written, G is written. So which letter is missing here? I. B, E, G. Big. Next is fit. F is written, T is written. I is missing. So you write here I. Okay. So E, T. Fit. Next is boy is sitting. So here it is sit. S is written, T is written. I is missing. So you write here I. Eat. Sit. Thank you.